Hello and happy Friday. My invitation for you for this weekend ahead is to play a better game. In other words, I invite you to step into the weekend living the question, what is a better game I could play in the area of food and beverages right now in this moment? And living this question, what is my better game, will give you access to ditching the all or nothing approach that is so broken and full of self-aggression and deprivation. And will give you access, living this better game question will give you access to mastering your middle ground. And mastering your middle ground will lead you to sustained and empowered weight loss, born of self-love and empowerment. And that is my wish for you.